Hello students, we are going to discuss about derivation for DAB is equal to dBA. Consider two gases capital A and B. Gas A moves towards chamber B and gas B towards chamber A as shown in figure. Refer the figure. Concentration of capital A with distance towards chamber capital B and capital B towards capital A. Variation in concentration of component with distance in the system called concentration gradient. It is denoted as dCA by dA. Change in concentration to change in distance. Movement of molecule capital A or B occurs due to concentration gradient is known as molecular diffusion, or the mass transfer from higher concentration to lower concentration, or the molecule movement from higher concentration to lower concentration. J is equal to minus JB. This is first expression. What is JA and JB? These are called molar flux. So why the JA is positive? Why the JB is negative? So one is a forward direction, the A towards B, but B towards A. One is the backward direction. So that's why we will take JA is equal to minus JB. So second expression, the total pressure is equal to sum of the partial pressure of the component. So this is called Dalton's law. According to Dalton's law, total pressure P is equal to sum of individual partial pressure of the component. So in this derivation we will consider the two gases capital A and B. Already I said the definition of diffusion. We will consider the pressure temperature is a constant. That's why we will consider capital P is equal to PA plus PB is equal to constant. Whereas concentration, the concentration is equal to CA plus CB is equal to constant. So we will consider the two parameters here, the pressure and concentration. The two parameters are constant. So from the third expression, so what is a CA? CA plus CB is equal to constant. From that expression, CA is equal to constant minus CB. This is the fourth expression. So from the fourth expression, so differentiate that expression, we get dCA is equal to minus dCB. So once differentiation is over, we got the value dCA is equal to minus dCB. The constant values will be 0. This is the fifth expression. So already we know the Fick's law of diffusion for component A. So JA is directly proportional to concentration gradient. Remove the directly proportional, we are adding the constant minus DAB. So Fick's law of diffusion for component A, JA is equal to minus DAB dou CA by dou Z. Similarly for component B, JB is equal to minus, so dBA into dou CB by dou Z. So this is the sixth and seventh expression. Substitute 6 and 7 in first expression. So we get minus DAB dou CA by dou Z minus of minus dBA dou CB by dou Z. So minus into minus plus, LHS is the same, RHS, minus into minus or plus. So we get dBA dou CB by dou Z. So that is equal to minus dAB dou CA by dou Z. This is the 8th expression. Substitute equation 5 in 8th expression. We get minus dAB minus dou CB by dou Z is equal to dBA dou CB by dou Z. So the minus into minus, LHS side the positive, dAB dou CB by dou Z, that is equal to dBA dou CB by dou Z. So the both sides, the dou CB by dou Z are cancelled. Finally we get the value dAB is equal to dBA. So here this is the 9th expression, dAB is equal to dBA. dAB is nothing but diffusivity of A to B is equal to diffusivity of B to A. So from equation 9 shows that the diffusivity is same for diffusion of A in B or B in A. Thank you.